てきたようなことが一つとついているけどね、ちゃんと拾っておこう。弾けて忘れてしまう前に回り出したあのこと、僕の未来が止まりどっかでまたやり直せたら、回り出したあのこと、僕が被害者すらでどっかをまた練り歩けたらな。私あなたに会ったの夢の中に置いてきたけどね。ねえどうして私が好きなの？一度しか会ったことがないのにね。思い受けて二人でしてんだ、忘れない愛を歌う言葉を二人に貸して近寄ってんだ、忘れない愛を歌うようにね。回り出したあのこと、僕の未来が止まりどっかでまたやり直せたら、回り出したあのこと、僕が被害者すらでどっかをまた練り歩けたら回り出したあのこと、僕の未来が止まりどっかでまたやり直せたら、回り出したあのこと、僕が被害者すらでどっかをまた練り歩けたらな。時代に乗って僕たちは変わらず愛に生きるだろう。僕らが散って残るのは変わらぬ愛の歌なんだろうな。時代に乗って僕たちは変わらず愛に生きるだろう。僕らが散って残るのは変わらぬ愛の歌なんだろうな。
You gotta let go. Maybe it's a little too late, cause I already put my all to the table. Everything about me from the get-go. There goes another love song. Hate that is becoming my usual. Taking things slow, I just can't control. Baby, I'm incapable of it. Then one day, show up like heaven sent you here. So I say, hello, how you doing? Nice to meet you. All my friends are telling me she might be bad news. Now I can't go back, yeah, you know I'm caught up in you. I get obsessed so easily. Like honestly, what the fuck is wrong with me? I go 2 nights out with the girl and I think I'm in love. Why do I fall so easily? Or is it that she's so perfect for me? I can't keep on beating the love of my life like this, but I guess I'm obsessed with you. Think I'm doing better. took a little but I got my head on. Finally taking a good care of me, myself, and I don't wanna wait no more. Trying everything I can, like meditating, keeping myself busy down to every second. So I don't have time to fantasize what could have been like you and I. Then okay, show up like heaven sent you here. So I say hello, how you doing? Nice to meet you. It's all the play, cause you can't deny your natural beauty. Now can't go back, yeah, you know I'm caught up in you. I get obsessed so easily, like honestly, what the fuck is wrong with me? I go 2 nights out with the girl and I think I'm in love. Why do I fall so easily? Or is it that she's so perfect for me? I can't keep on meeting the love of my life like this, but I guess I'm obsessed with you. I get obsessed so easily, like honestly, what the fuck is wrong with me? I go 2 nights out with the girl and I think I'm in love. And why do I fall so easily? Or is it that she's so perfect for me? I can't keep on meeting the love of my life like this, but I guess I'm obsessed with you.